talk about how can you enable receive emails notifications on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on profile down here. So when you just click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on notification settings, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. When you click here on notification settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, come here to receive emails, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us here, that's mean here receive emails notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.